Welcome again. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install MySQL server in Ubuntu. So if you are new to my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel. I created this kind of videos in my channel regularly. You will find IT related videos over here. I have created a quite of few videos on Linux also. So I'm inside of my Ubuntu VirtualBox now. So I'm going to open the terminal. So to do that, you can type Control Alt then T, or you can type from over here. If you type terminal over here, it will be appear like this. So let me just resize this thing so you can see it properly. Okay, so first of all we are going to type sudo apt update to check if everything is up to date in our system, and I think it's already up to date. You have to check this thing to make sure each and every repository in your Linux system is properly updated. Okay, after that, once we are confirmed that this thing is updated, then we are going to type sudo apt install MySQL server, then hit enter. As you can see, the installation of the MySQL is completed now. So after that, we are going to check that if the MySQL is currently running or not. So to do that, we are going to type sudo again, then services MySQL status. Okay, service and status. Okay, so the command will be sudo service MySQL status. Over here, as you can see, it's saying MySQL server is currently active and it's now running. Over here you can see it's currently active and it's running. Okay, so the MySQL is now installed, and then you can simply check that if the MySQL is currently working properly or not. Okay, so MySQL is installed now in our server and it's currently running. So now we are going to check if it's working properly. So to do that, I'm going to type sudo then MySQL then hit enter. Okay, so now you can see it's saying that welcome to MySQL monitor. Okay, we are inside of the MySQL. So over here you can create the database if you like, or you can use it as per your requirement. So this is how you can install MySQL in your Ubuntu or any Linux system. So thank you for watching, and if you find any value from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.